In this video, we'll show you how to create a bootable USB for Windows installation using command prompt and diskpart. Let's get started. First, open command prompt as an administrator. You can do this by searching CMD in the Start menu, right-clicking it, and selecting Run as Administrator. Now type diskpart and press Enter to open the disk partition tool. Next, type list disk to display all connected drives. Identify your USB drive and select it using Select Disk X. Replace X with the actual disk number. Now we need to clean the USB drive to remove any existing partitions. Type Clean and press Enter. Next, create a new partition using Create Partition Primary. Then select it using Select Partition 1 and format it to NTFS with format FS, =NTFS quick. Mark the partition as active by typing active and press Enter, then assign a drive letter using Assign. Now exit diskpart by typing Exit. Next, copy Windows installation files from the ISO to your USB. If your Windows ISO is mounted as Drive D, use a copy DX/E/F/H, where X is your USB drive letter. Now restart your PC and enter BIOS by pressing F2, F12, or Del depending on your system. Set your USB drive as the first boot device and save changes. And that's it! Your USB is now bootable and ready to install Windows. If this guide was helpful, like, share, and subscribe.